name is Janae, but I go by AmorNae. You can follow me at AmorMuse on Instagram. So as you see from the title and the thumbnail, we are doing these. You can't even see how long they are, but they go down to my knees, y'all. These long AF knotless braids on ourselves for less than $60. These did take me a couple of days. I'm making this intro like a week after I did them because I was just busy. I had to do them. I had to go on a trip. I had to do all this stuff. So kind of recording this kind of late, but it did come out super, super cute. I think this is a great protective style. And if you want to know how to do them, stay tuned because I'm gonna keep rambling. I'm gonna let y'all watch and learn something from me. And if you're not subscribed, then what's really the issue? Because you came here, you're going to like the video, you're going to learn something, you might as well just subscribe because it'll make me really happy. Okay guys, so for this look, I used 3 packs of the blonde hair, so that would be about 9 bundles in total. And I used about 3 to 6 packs of the black. I didn't use the full 6 bundles, but just 3 to 6. And then I tried this braid formula. I really did like it. It was cool. You could skip it for real. I would say use Style Factor. It's a whole better experience, and it holds a little bit better. But I mean, it did what it needed to do to get the job done. It's not bad. I just would say use Style Factor because it will hold a little bit longer. So first, you're gonna start off by parting your hair. If you're like a beginner, and I'm a beginner, but if you don't have like a mirror set up where you can see the back of your head, I would just recommend getting your friends to part your hair for you. But if you know what you're doing, sis, make it happen with that part. Okay, so let's jump right into the braiding part. So you want to make sure your root is coated very well with the jam. Also your ends, but we're going to add more jam on our ends when we get to that part while we're braiding. So you're going to section your hair off into 3 pieces and start braiding it down, same as you would if you were doing regular individual braids on your real hair. I braid my hair down about 3 to 4 times, and then I add my first piece of blonde hair. When you start adding your extra hair, you are going to add the piece, you're going to put it in the middle of your 2 fingers, so where one section of the hair is in the middle and the other side of the hair is on one of the other strands, and then you're just going to fold it in and it should blend right seamlessly. That's how you get the knotless look. Knotless really just supposed to look like it's your real hair, but when you're doing different colors like this, of course not going to like your real hair. And then you just continue that with all of the other pieces. So for each braid, I ended up using about 3 or 4 blonde pieces. And then when I got to about hip length, I added my black part, which you'll see in a little bit. Okay, now we're going to jump into the extension of the braids, which makes them knee length. So you just add the black piece of hair the same way you added the blonde hair when you was braiding your real hair down. You just braid it, and then you go in under your 2 fingers, put one on one side of your finger, one on the other side of your finger, and then you just braid it on down. Now for the endings, I added about 2 to 3 pieces of hair. It just really depends on how long you really want them to be. And then y'all can just watch me continue on with this process. Okay, so of course after the style is finished, you want to take you some oil of your choice, spread it all across your scalp. Then I took me some mousse, sprayed it across my scalp, and took me some Got to Be spray, and that was it. Okay guys, so this is how the style turned out. I've had it in for about like a week and a half now, so it's not the freshest, but yeah, you get a good gist. I'm not sure how long they are, but you see it in the thumbnail how long they are. They go like past my knees, a little bit past my knees. And this style only cost me, it was less than $50. Probably less than, I want to say 45 or 30. Cause I just had about hair. But yeah, if you like this video, if you like my method, if you learn how to do knotless braids, let me know in the comments. Like this video, press the subscribe button and the bell because I will be coming out with more hair videos and all sorts of videos like that pretty soon. If you like my intro, let me know. Stay angel, stay pure, and stay pretty.